sister. We're gonna make a science project. First we put water. So we have 6 cups and we have 3 diet foods. Yes, and then we have 3 straws to mix it. And then we have napkins that are folded, and then we have bottled waters. And then we're gonna put food coloring. I'm gonna start with red. 1, 2, 3, not 3, 4. Different color. Next. Now I'm gonna do green, and you put 4 drops in each cup that has water. 1. Wait, did it go? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna start with yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna mix the green. He's already mixing the red. And we're gonna put strips of paper. So we're done with the project, and we're gonna leave it for 3 hours, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you when it's all equal. Hi guys, we're back. The waters are equal, and the water went through the paper towels and it came into the cup, and then it was equal, and this one's brown. Subscribe our channel, notifications, give me a big thumbs up. We are gonna make rainbow Skittles. So we have warm water, and then we have a plate, and we have Skittles. It's like 5 different colors Skittle rainbow. My pattern is I'm doing 2 colors, and each time I'm doing red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Now I'm gonna keep on doing the same thing, and I'm gonna repeat. warm water slowly in the middle. I'm scared. Yay. Now all of the Skittle colors are gonna turn white because all of the colors are coming out and we're gonna put it on the plate. Mine's rainbow and yours is like purple, red, green, orange. Do you like mine? Oh, it's almost getting in the middle. It smells so good. Mine's almost done. Mine too. So mine's done. Thank you for watching our video. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe our channel. No. Hi. We are going to make Skittles soda. And so we have
lemon soda, 10 Skittles, and we
I
have a
chose
cup.
orange and Keegan chose
Green.
We both have a cup. And we're going to put our Skittles. We have 10.
10 Skittles first.
And we're going to put them all inside.
Not to put soda. Well, I mean lemon soda.
So since ours are done, we're going to wait until it gets much darker.
Yeah, we gotta mix it.
Oh, I have one. We're going to mix it with a straw. And wow, it's really dark.
And
It's
the
getting dark.
Skittles are getting white.
It tastes like orange Sprite.
Let me taste mine. Mine tastes green apple Sprite.
All done. Bye.
All done. Bye. See you guys later.
Subscribe our channel. Give me a big thumbs up.